Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay and enjoy my content. So for today, it's just a little day in my life. I'm gonna go on the road now. I'm going to the bank. Yeah, if you sort out something. So I'm taking you guys along with me, and whatever me do today, me go just share it with you guys. All right, so come on, let's go, relax, sit back, and remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. Subscribe, like, comment, share. All right, so let's go. We're heading on the road right now, so come on.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way, only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You can slide with me but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Keep the footprint, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Guys, I'm stuck out of some. Stuck in the rain. Wait for the rain to ease up. As soon as the rain ease up, I'm gonna left for out of some. Can't move because it's still raining. When you want rain catch me a bit, I just have to wait till the rain ease up. I'm gonna know what cut me on my face. Think of the umbrella cut me on my face right so. But anyways, I'm there wait for the rain to ease up so I can just left from right so. Because I want to go home. I want to go home. I never rain catch me right so. I'm in a bank all along. Alright guys, I just reached home. It's like 5:36, 5:37 thereabout. I'm just reached home. I did for stop in town like to get few things, but that couldn't happen because the rain. So I just buy a bread and come home. Yeah, so probably tomorrow I'll take up back the camera and then I'll talk to you guys more. Alright, so yeah, right now I'm gonna make some dinner and just chill. So I'll pick up back the camera tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys. So yesterday I went in town. I went to the bank and they're supposed to pick up a few things in town, but I didn't because the rain came down. So I just buy a bread and come home. But I'm here to show you this new perfume that I got. It's the Club de Nude Untold, and trust me, you see this smells really good, so you can get that. Okay, yeah. Anyways, I haven't been posting because I was waiting on something to come through for me, but unfortunately it's not gonna happen. All right, so I was on my live. Someone asked what kind of job I do. I also saw the same comment in a video that I did. So I'm gonna make a video talking about that. So I was working on the program overseas. Yeah, I was working on the program. I'm not gonna state the position or anything, but I was working on the program. So that was my job. Something happened and then me sit out. Now I was trying to get back in and it's not gonna happen. So yeah, I was on the work program. So yeah, I was on the work program. I thought I was gonna get through because I went and did interviews and all of that, and I was waiting to get a call, but I didn't. And honestly, I feel that to my heart because I did write down all of my goals and everything when I did when I want to accomplish, and it not happened. So I'm just here. Anyways, yeah. So that never happened. And going forward, I'm gonna try to take this YouTube thing. I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna do this YouTube thing differently now. I'm not gonna do any more grocery hauls or nothing pertaining to money because I think that is giving off one impact when I really want. I don't know if it's send off one wrong message to people because me not have it. I'm a partner, take care of everything, guys. So I'm grocery hauls and all of them things I wanna see. I am basically do everything because I am not working. Okay, so I just want to make that clear. But going forward though, I'm not gonna do any more grocery hauls and anything like that because I guess it's giving off a negative impact to people. I don't know if it's send off one negative message or one wrong message. So I'm rich and I am not rich. Okay, so I go supermarket other day and I decide so I'm not gonna do no more grocery hauls, or if I decide to do more, if I decide to do about grocery hauls, I'm not gonna stay like the amount that I spent or anything like that. Let me know in the comments you think about all of that as well. But yeah, so anyways guys, I'm not even know what to say, but going forward I'm just gonna do vlogs. Going forward I'm gonna do vlogs. We can sit down and talk and all those stuff, but if I'm not pertaining to money, I'm not gonna share it again going forward. I'm gonna also try to do a new intro and just focus on different things when it come on to YouTube and not just things surrounding money, especially the grocery hauls them, you know. But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, guys, but I'm just say, let me know in the comments what you think and all of that. So yes, guys, I was working on the work program, and it's not gonna happen again with my kids now, because the work program, it lasted for 9 months. I already plan out everything, you know, guys, but when they say man a plan and God a wipe, that is exactly what happened to me. Because me say man a plan, God a wipe, because me there they plan out all of my life and all of what I want to happen, and God say that not got happen. I don't know what kind of sound that, but if you not hear that sound there, just no pay no mind, okay? Anyways, so yeah, guys, so as me there say, man a plan and God a wipe, because the amount of things I write down, some more accomplish, and then this just anyways, yeah, me no want ball, but going forward, as I said, anyways, guys, so as I was saying, going forward, it's just gonna be like vlogs and, you know, a little bit of other things. But if me do decide to do back grocery hauls and all of them something there, I don't know if I'm going to quote the amount what I spend or what, I don't know. But yeah, like the one I let my physics. So I guess God have a better plan for my life, and I just have to go back to the drawing board and decide what I go do. Anyways, so yeah, my life is going in a different direction right now, even though, well, I was waiting all along, and I did still do what I do. So I just have to just continue and just do more things to accomplish all what I want to accomplish. I still have everything on my write down, so I just have to work towards all of them there. Which me know, so if me did go back on the program, I would accomplish, you know, everything just so. But I guess everything happened for a reason. Me don't know, God see everything. God see what me not see. Yeah, God see what me not see. So probably He might protect me from something what me can't see. So me just have to, you know, continue and just move forward with my life. Life goes on. So this a chapter I just closing on my life, and me know new doors are gonna open up for me. So yeah.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, we the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get on, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, spending money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate. Why